All right, this is RTA Cabinet Reviews, and this is Ryan, and RTA stands for Ready to Assemble. We're going to talk about this piece of furniture right here. It is the Target brand Room Essentials. We'll see if it's as essential as 4 walls and a roof, but we're going to talk about how this, right away you can see how it's a little bit shaky. This thing here is about 41 pounds when it's delivered in the package, so it's pretty light in terms of cube organizers. However, the things that worry me a little bit are the screws are so close to the corner, automatically if there's going to be a stress point of too much weight, it's going to fall apart here at these corners because it's just not structurally sound. In the back, there's raw particle board. So there's a facing side, which is great when you assemble, you know which side is the right way, but there's this back side, so you know that this stuff is only meant to be attached to a wall. So it's not gonna be very versatile wherever you put it. In terms of finishing, this is the fastest to finish at 35 minutes, but I know that you could probably get a better product out there for just a little bit more price. And I give this a 1 out of 5 cubby holes because I know that you can do better. If you want to see what better looks like, go to the blog at Ultimate Guide to Cube Storage Reviews, and you'll see more of what we are comparing and what is probably better for your pocket and more for your sanity. This is Ryan here at RTA Cabinet Reviews, and until next time.